So I'm quickly going to go through super. So you've got to have a self-managed super fund if you want to buy property in super. And the benefits are you can actually use existing money you've got in super. You can roll it over. You've got to be very careful about if you've got insurances and capital gains tax. But we find a lot of Gen Ys, they could have $80,000 or $90,000 each in their individual super funds. So that means in one super fund, $180,000 to $200,000. Is that a deposit on a little one-bedroom unit in Sydney, two-bedroom even? And obviously, you can almost buy a house in Brisbane, can't you? So again, look at those things. You can pay it off a property very easily in super because of the lower tax rates. And the beauty is when you're 60 years old, guess how much tax you pay? Zero. Without even going to jail. Who likes zero tax rate? You can actually do one thing better. I've just noticed David Hasib walked in. David runs our wealth planning. Depending on the investments in your super fund, you can have a negative tax. You can actually get back tax that someone else has paid. You know, look to the person on the left and laugh and say, I'm getting back tax that you paid. You can make real money out of this. The disadvantages are you can't draw out equity as that property grows. Okay? So you've got to have assets outside, but there could be a strategy to have property inside as well. Okay? You can even buy that property in super and claim it against your PAYG tax. So you can negatively gear that property against your personal tax. The same tax benefit as if you'd bought it in your name. But in super at age 60, how much tax? That's the rent, the sale of it, the whole kick and caboodle. And you're not disadvantaged while you're working. Okay? So the types of properties you can buy in super, I'm just getting the wind up here. Mark will come and chop me off soon, so I'll talk really fast. You can't sell a residential property that you currently own into super, okay? You can sell a commercial property you own, but not a residential. So you can buy off the plan, you can buy house and land, you can do cosmetic renos. You've got to be careful on how you do them. You can't buy a block of land and then go and get a contract with somebody else to build, but a house and land package from the one, you can do all that. Okay? You've got to be careful if you buy land that you can't then go and build on it with a loan once you've already bought it. Okay? You can do improvements. So you can build your granny flat, you can build an extension. So the main thing you can't do is developments and subdivisions.